Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video I will show you my Everest timing of solving 3x3 Rubik's Cube with one hand. Before going to that video, please subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like, comment and share. Let's begin. This is timer and this is 3x3 Rubik's Cube. I shuffle this Rubik's Cube and I will solve this 3x3 Rubik's Cube with one hand by using time lapsing, because I cannot quickly solve 3x3 Rubik's Cube with one hand. That's why I am using time lapse video. Let's begin. So, my Everest timing of solving 3x3 Rubik's Cube with one hand in 2 minutes 20 seconds. If you like this video, so please subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like, comment and share. See you in next video. Bye bye.